In the heart of Alabama lies Oak Mountain State Park, a place where adventure meets tranquility. For families seeking a weekend escape, Oak Mountain offers endless outdoor activities, from hiking to mountain biking. With over 50 miles of trails, there's something for every skill level. Mountain bikers, brace yourselves for the thrill of winding paths and challenging climbs. This is the perfect destination for adventure seekers. Take a break at the breathtaking Peavine Falls, a hidden gem where you can rest in nature's serenity. The park's two lakes offer calm waters for fishing and boating, perfect for unwinding or a family adventure. Whether you're an angler or just want to paddle, Oak Mountain has you covered. Bring your loved ones, even your furry friends. The park is fully pet friendly, with picnic areas and plenty of space for everyone to enjoy. Nature lovers will be captivated by the park's diverse wildlife, from deer grazing to hawks soaring high above. The Alabama Wildlife Center even offers educational experiences for bird lovers. But Oak Mountain has a mystery of its own. Legend speaks of the ghost of Emily, a young woman said to have drowned here long ago. Some say, on quiet nights, you might still hear her eerie screams near the lake. This tale adds a thrilling twist to a peaceful camping experience. With over 85 campsites, you can choose from modern sites with hookups or go primitive for a rustic adventure. Here, you'll find more than just a campsite. You'll discover the magic of nature with a hint of mystery. Plan your visit today. Oak Mountain State Park welcomes you. For reservations, visit the park's website. Fees start as low as $15 for a night under the stars.